Hey buddy, look what we got today. It's an instant digital camera. So it's a print camera, which is pretty cool because you probably don't remember, and even I was, oh, good job opening it. Let's check it out. What were those? Kodak cameras. So this is pretty cool. It fits well in your hand, don't you think? Yeah. Let's go ahead. Let's look at the back. It has an on button right here. And you can hit this. So we're going to turn it on. It says welcome, and then it has a whole screen with options. Now, I know you want to go straight to games, but we got to show all the things. So you can go to camera mode, you can go to movie mode, you can do music, playback. So okay, but first let's show the camera. So you click on, you can scroll through the buttons right here, like that. It's not a touch screen. And then look at, it'll take a picture. You want to take a picture of us? Okay, let's hit the cameras right here. You got to get more in the screen. Get down here with Daddy. And you see it says printing. Look at it come out. Okay. Look how fun that is. And watch, you just rip it off. Look at, show the camera. Who's that? That's us. Isn't that cool? And you get an instant print camera. Just so much fun. And we can go back. It has a back button. You want to check out what games it has?
Yeah.
Okay, let's click games. So another fun thing about this camera is it has all these filters. You can switch them all right here. Yeah, they have glasses, horns, funny mouth, this background, this one, mustache, and other glasses, unicorn. So it's a ton of fun. Watch, we're going to make you have, we already did a mustache. So I'm going to give you horns.
Horns? That
Yes.
would be...
Stand still. Watch, now it's printing out. Let's see how it comes out. Is that fun? I think he thinks it's fun. And you can see over here, we did a couple others, and it's a lot of fun. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision. So these are all the games it has. A snake, a ball game, that looks fun. A puzzle, so if you want to try this one? If you want to try that one, you hit the camera button, okay? Which one do you want to try? Hit the camera button. Okay, now you're playing snake. You're not going to use that. You're going to use the buttons down here. Yeah, so it has a couple simple games. Now press it again, move it around. You probably use this one too. Oops. Let's see another game. Yeah, it's not a touch screen. You got to use the buttons. So overall, it's fun. Well, you see him moving the guy around, and then hit one of these over here. It's a lot of fun, and it's instant gratification. It comes with 3 of these rolls, and it's USB-C rechargeable. You have a lanyard here, so you don't miss it. So this would be a great gift. And look at, we're able to take these fun photos together like this, and you can pin them up, and that is so much fun.